And so
You can tell again. Recording चालू हुआ.
yeah. तो ये अभी नया है, लाइक आई गेस 1 मंथ से हमेशा वो जब भी रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन होता है वो शुरू हो जाता है. Anyways, so basically I started in 2007. I was just in class 11th, and out of curiosity I learned website designing, and then I started offering this services to clients. So I, like, for a year or a two, I started like I was working like a freelancer. I had no team or no company. Just like Cinet was basically a computer institute back then. My brother had started it. So I just suggested him ki let's start designing websites for clients. So then I came up with a name called Cinet Infotech. So I started that thing, and then after designing few websites, I realized just designing a website is not enough. We also need to market it. So then I came across this thing called internet marketing. I learned SEO at that time and started offering. I started with a blog. Then when I got confident that I can handle clients as well, so then I started offering services to clients as well. Meanwhile, my education was also going on, so I did my engineering, MBA, and all. By 2015, when I completed my education, I had already worked with like 100 plus clients, and basically, I was doing websites mainly for clients and few SEO projects as well.
Okay.
Uh, and then I decided let's take a industry experience. So I had a small team of 5 6 designer and developers in my company. I closed down my physical office, like physical team. uh, I was still working in the remote, like again I came back to the freelancing model. uh, and I went to Mumbai and joined a digital agency there. And I got opportunity to work with some branded clients there. Like I was working as a digital marketing strategist there. So I worked with campaigns of Haldirams, DHFL, Milton, and few other known brands of India. Then I came back to my hometown in 2016, and then like I came back accidentally, actually, because I had came on a vacation, and I fell sick. So like I got jaundice. Then I resigned. Like घर वाले छोड़े नहीं वापस. तो फिर again doctor also advised कि you have to take like home food for next 3 months, and you have to take 2 weeks 3 weeks rest. So I resigned from my hometown itself, and Cinet to tha hi. So I started again it as a digital advertising agency. So prior to that, I was only like till 2015, I was only doing websites and SEO. After 2016 exactly, I started doing Facebook ads.
Okay.
So I'm running my agency since last 5 years, and overall, if I say, it's almost 14 years of experience. And recently I have also started a new startup. It's a tech startup which is called Online Shiksha, where basically we are targeting students of class 6 to 12th, and we're trying to build the first digital gurukul of India. So that is something.
That is awesome, and all the best for that even.
So
So,
this is a basic introduction of mine. So apart from that, what I'll do is I
Can you
can
share your cell number, please?
I'll do that.
definitely, sir,
You
definitely.
can DM me and I'll share the number with you.
Our cell number is very, very near. It's very near for all of us.
No problem. I'm in the WhatsApp group as well, so you can find me there
Okay.
as well. So let me share
Because I
my.
am also Bhubaneswar based, that is why I asked.
Okay, okay.
Definitely, sir, definitely.
Yeah.
We have some more guys coming in, so thank you all for joining in. After some time, I could see Subhendu Patnaik ji joining today. I'm happy. Thank you, sir. Thank you for coming in.
Thanks,
So
Govardhan.
Bindu Bhai, he's a inspiration for me. Because of him, actually, I came into training. Because like in 2018, when I was expanding my agency team, I started like asking candidates from the existing institutes in my local like hometown Bhubaneswar. So when people came for interview, I found like they have completed their training and certification, but they were not employable. So I tried to find out where is the gap, and found 2 3 things. Like major thing was nobody was giving practical exposure. So then I planned, let's start our own institute and start training people, so that we can like build some good digital marketers as well. They will also help in like growing my agency as well. Then I tried searching for a trainer. So now Subhendu Bhai is actually my school senior. So he's connected with me since very long. So then I
Okay.
reached out to him and asked him, like, can you recommend a trainer to me? Before that, like, I am a super introvert, so I don't talk a lot, and teaching is completely different thing for me. So that was definitely not possible. So I like Suvendu, I said, why don't you teach yourself? Uh, then I said, no, I would not be able to teach because like, I'm not so
I'm not that kind of a
good
person.
in teaching. Then he said, why you do one thing, you just share your experience. It's nothing, there's nothing fancy. You just need to share your experiences, whatever you have learned in these years, you can share your experiences. And that like motivated me to get into training. And last 3 years I have been into training, and we have created a lot of success stories as well. Many of my students are doing their own e-commerce businesses. Some are placed, and some are doing their own businesses, agencies, and different things.
So
So
I don't want to hijack the conversation, but I'll definitely, take a moment and say hi to everybody. And
Thank you.
so just will quickly say that Abhishek, whatever you have done with your own hard work and and determination. See, I always say this whenever the student is ready, it depends on the recipient's reception power, which determines how much he will learn, right? So I say the same thing to many people. Not everyone does achieve the similar amount of results. So the fact that you have achieved this far, when I saw that you are going to speak, when I think Trinath messaged in the group, and then I instantly joined in. So good to see you. All the very best. Thanks, Govardhan, for setting up this platform also. Pleasure. I'll keep myself muted. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
so shall we start with the topic?
Yeah, sure, absolutely. Yes.
All right. So I'll keep it very simple because
Yeah,
it's
just
not a
a
rocket science.
few things before we start. If you have any questions, you please just type them off in the chat box. So we will get back in the right time. Meanwhile, don't leave anything. Anything is there, you please type in the chat box. We don't want to break the flow of what Abhishek is actually trying to tell. Then we can take the questions, and we want to take questions as fast as we can. So you don't need to think that we will be making you wait a long time and all. And of course, people who joined here today might be interested in the specific topic. So yeah, Abhishek ji, please.
Yeah, thank you. So basically, I'll keep it very simple, and these are like very simple things. And a lead magnet is something that is a basic thing you need for any kind of marketing campaign, be it a organic campaign or be it you're running ads or whatever. You definitely need a lead magnet. So let's understand what is a lead magnet first.
Yeah.
You can type in the chat as well if someone wants to share their view of lead magnet.
You want to ask people what is a lead magnet? What's their
uh,
understanding of a lead magnet?
yeah.
Maybe I think, guys.
Basically I have already also opened this thing. So basically lead magnet is something that you offer to your prospects or customer, like the people who can be your customers. Okay. You give it for free. In return you collect their email IDs, or in some cases you can also collect their phone numbers as well. Not so many things. You can collect three four important information you need to reach out to them and to qualify them for your business, whatever product or service you have, right? So what should be the qualities of a good lead magnet? Let's discuss that. There are 8 different qualities or 8 different components that a good lead magnet should have. The first thing is it should be relevant. Like it should be relevant to your audience. Obviously, if your audience is looking for a car and your lead magnet is about something else, like it's about digital marketing, it will not make any sense. So if it's looking for a car, maybe you can give him a comparison chart of two or three different cars in that particular segment or something like that. So it should be relevant to that particular business or that particular audience.
Yeah.
And the second thing is it should address a problem, because otherwise they will not feel it's a valuable asset or not for that people. So it should address a problem that that particular type of customer might have, and then it should also offer a solution to that problem, right? So problem solution wala funda yahan pe rehna chahiye. And it should be quick to consume. Like I have seen some people use 50 page or 60 page ebooks for lead magnet, or they give a complete book as a lead magnet. That will not work. You can use them in your tripwire, but for a lead magnet I would always recommend it should be very short, and it should be very quick to consume. Like आपने download किया और तुरंत ही like 1-2 घंटे में आप consume कर सकते हो उसको जैसे. अदरवाइज इफ इट इज टेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, आप उसको फिर क्वालिफाई नहीं कर पाओगे उस ऑडियंस को, एंड दे विल फिर लीकेज हो जाएगा वहां पे. So it should be very quick to consume, it should be very short and very simple to understand, and there should be a hook, of course. Let's say you're doing it for a fitness brand, so you can show like there should be a like weight loss wala angle. Although Facebook ads के लिए weight loss वाला थोड़ा सा tricky हो सकता है, but you can find some ways जहाँ पे जो words avoid करना है, although those are part of copywriting, but still you can show a transformation of before and after, or what change it might bring in their life or in their weight loss journey. It should have a strong hook. That's one thing, and it should be easy to deliver and or access. You should be like they should be able to easily access or download it and consume it as soon as possible. Because अगर difficult होगा, आपने थोड़ा सा मतलब multiple steps में डाल दिया है उनको, they will not able to down like ultimately they will not consume, and वहाँ पे उनका journey break हो जाएगा. You will not be able to take them to the next step in the journey. And it should have a perceived value, because lead magnet is something that you are showing them that it's a paid thing, that like it has a cost, but I'm going to give you this thing for free if you give me your email address or the contact information. So it should have a perceived value. If you're giving a very basic thing that is easily available for free, or like client or customer might think that it's easily available on the internet without any effort, then it's not going to work, because it should have a perceived value. They should think that मुझे कुछ पे करना पड़ता है इस चीज के लिए, but I'm going to get this for free. So it should
Yeah,
have
like people mention it like
sometimes they use a number as well, like it's 499
500 rupees. It is
value, but I'm
500
going to give
rupees.
it for free.
Yeah.
So yeah, that gives a number to the valuation, and that creates more trust in the customer's mind. And one more thing, this is optional for me. In most of my campaigns, direct lead magnets have worked great, like especially for real estate and few other industries. What I mean by direct is like कस्टमर को पता होता है कि आउटकम क्या होने वाला है. Once I fill my information, what is the next step that is I will go through. Like let's say a consulting call hai, so he knows that he is going to get into a consulting call with the business representative, and in some like they somehow know that he's going to pitch his product or service in the end. Or maybe for real estate it's site visit, so they know the guy is going to pitch their flat or plot or real estate property. So in some cases this might work. I have tried both angles, so it depends on the type of business. For some, yeah, for if you are doing indirect lead magnet, you have to take them in a longer nurturing journey. If you're using a direct call to action direct lead magnet, the process will be shorter. So it depends फिर customer का जो journey है उसके ऊपर depend करता है in which phase of the customer journey the customer is, उसके हिसाब से आप इसको use कर सकते हो. So these are the qualities of a lead magnet. Now I'll quickly get into the types of lead magnets. So I'll share 18 different types of lead magnets that you can use. I have used almost all of them in different campaigns of my clients. I'll also show you some case studies as well in the end, which like obviously I will not be able to share my clients case studies, but I'll share some of my own case studies and some of the results of them as well. So first thing, most obvious, like most of the people use this lead magnet, which is a ebook. Okay.
Yeah.
So you give a PDF file download to them, Once they fill their information, they get the download to that PDF file. Now, as I said, if you're offering a ebook, try to keep it very short, like within 10 to 15 page maximum. Otherwise, it's they will take longer time to consume, and they will not even read it completely, because लोगों का attention span बहुत कम है आज के date में. They will not consume, and you will not be able to take them to the next
Yeah,
step.
to the point and specific. Just like ये topic, ये जो topic हम use कर रहे हैं, same topic को lead magnet बना सकता है. 18 types of lead magnets and how you can use them. It will become a small book which you can consume very fast.
Right. The second type of thing is you can create a checklist. Let's say you're an agency or you're a freelancer, you do Facebook ads or websites or whatever service you're offering. You can create a checklist, like 5 things they need to do to run a good Facebook ad campaign, or 5 assets or 10 assets they need to create for their brand or something like that. So you can create a checklist, and people love to download checklists, and they will easily give their email address or their contact information to you. You can create resource guides or how to guides. Like, let's say for real estate, I'll make a small PDF file called let's say buying guide for NRIs, or 10 things you need to take care of when you're buying a property in India, or something like that. So for different industries, you can think of guides or how to's, or something in that line. You can share case studies. I have done this for my agency. I have ran ad for showing my case studies, and it has worked well. Like, I show a case study of my existing client or existing campaign, which is a successful campaign. People give their lead, and then we take them into a consulting call, and we close them after that. It can be a report, like financial industries के लिए report काम कर सकता है. You can share financial reports. You can share statistics of different industry, that particular industry, or different businesses and things like that. White papers, like research papers वगैरह भी लोग download करते हैं. It again depends on the industry. B2B industries के लिए this works great. Reports, case studies, white papers, these work well. You can offer free tools or softwares, like basic example of this is a fixed deposit calculator or a loan calculator. Sometimes you go to a website, you want to calculate how much interest I am going to pay and how much EMI will be for me if I take a loan of 5 lakhs, a car loan or a home loan of 5 lakhs or 50 lakhs or whatever. So what they do is they ask you to fill up your email address first. You fill your email address, and then you access the calculators, or they give you a software download, or there are different type of softwares and tools you can give access to by using it as a lead magnet. For SaaS business specifically, most like almost all of them use free trials. You give them a 7-day or 14-day trial, and they consume it for, they use that software or say a product for let's say 7-day, 14-day or 30-day, and some of them will cancel. If like दो तरह के होते हैं. Some people जो कार्ड डिटेल्स आपका ले लेते हैं, तो ऑटोमेटिकली चार्ज हो जाता है वहाँ पे. कुछ लोग इवन विदाउट क्रेडिट कार्ड के भी देते हैं. सो दैट वर्क्स वेल. तो थोड़ा लाइक क्रेडिट कार्ड वाले में कन्वर्शन रेट डेफिनेटली ज़्यादा आता है, बट लीड कैप्चर लाइक लीड जनरेशन कम हो जाता है. इन द अदर केस आप ज़्यादा लीड्स कैप्चर कर सकते हो बाई गिविंग इट फॉर फ्री कंप्लीटली, लाइक विदाउट कैप्चरिंग एनी क्रेडिट कार्ड डिटेल्स, जस्ट देयर कॉन्टैक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन. एंड उस 14 डेज या 30 डेज या 7 डेज जितना दिन का भी ट्रायल देते हो आप, you can keep on sending them emails to nurture them and convert them into a customer. You can offer a free course or a free video series, like let's say I'll set up a 3-day sequence, and I'll send one video every day to that person, or 5-day video series, or a small tutorial, like something that is not easily available on YouTube or on any public platform. I can record a particular tutorial on that particular topic, and I can share it by taking their information, like gated content बना के हम दे सकते हैं वहाँ पे. You can share worksheets. I have seen a lot of ads from international marketers who share their calendars, they share their planners, and they share their like to-do list templates or like Excel sheets or Google sheets, and they use it as a lead magnet. And some people also use it as a tripwire. They charge like $7 or $37 to give you the download to that. So yeah, that can also be used. You can offer this works for e-commerce businesses or something somewhere where you are taking a booking or like online transaction happens. You can offer discounts or cashback codes as a lead magnet to get that a discount coupon or promo code. They have to fill in their information. You can use scripts or templates or themes and things like that, and give them as a free download, and then you can like get their email IDs and nurture them for your paid themes or paid products. This works for like theme designing companies or people who are into particular like even copywriters. They can give a script or a template for free, and then they can convert them into like nurture them and convert them into paid customers.
Even web designers and
Yes, right.
page
Any
builders.
creative business, we can say any kind of creative business, they can use this kind of lead magnets. Giveaway, like you can create a giveaway contest and capture leads in that process. I have recently tried this, but not like मतलब पूरा full fledged lead generation campaign हमने नहीं किया था, but I recently tried a basic version of giveaway, and बहुत अच्छा मतलब boost देता है ये. Let me try to share this. For online shiksha, last month there was a day called environment day, so we created a giveaway during that. What we did is we asked students to create a poster, create a painting or a poster or a video telling about environment. Okay, and what they did is they some of them posted videos, some of them posted some paintings and all, and we selected three winners out of them and gave sent them some goodies. Okay. And look at the kind of engagement and reach we got from this campaign.
Yeah.
So this is also good campaign. Like we are going to post the winners tomorrow or a day after tomorrow, because we're still waiting for the photos of one winner. Let me show you some. One of the winner had already sent us her photo with the goodies. Okay, anyways, let me share it. So giveaway is a good way of creating brand awareness as well as generating leads. So दोनों काम यहाँ पे हो जाता है इससे. You can create a wait list. Let's say your product is not launched yet and you're going to launch it in next month or in a future date. What you can do is you can create a few waiting list. Take the email IDs of like create a landing page, सारे products के features और product का like benefits वगैरह आप डाल दो उसमें, and take them into a waiting list. So when you're going to launch the product, you can shoot an email to all the email at like the list, and some of them will buy your product. Webinar, it's very popular and it's still working, and I guess it will keep on keep working, especially for coaches and trainers. It's working very well. For even for some of my clients, webinars are also doing great. Webinar is a very good way to reach a lot of people at like in a shorter period and get more conversions out of that. So you can offer free webinars, and in offline world you can do the same as free seminars. One more thing is you can also do workshops. Now the base, like these two things are almost similar, but the basic difference between them is this is more interactive. Group consulting or workshops, you like यहाँ पे webinar वाले softwares use करते हैं जहाँ पे one way communication होता है. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा two way communication होता है, जैसे like the way we are communicating right now here. So इस तरह का होता है. And group consulting is something you can use for your agency or freelance business or any kind of B2B businesses. Okay, where you're offering any kind of consulting, be it IT consulting or website designing or digital marketing services, you can use this thing. What you can do is you can call some business owners or your prospective customers to a webinar kind of setup or a workshop kind of a setup. You share some value with them, and like आप एक एक करके उनके problems को समझोगे, but it will not be a one-to-one call. There will be multiple people, like 10 to 12 people or 15 people will be there. You listen to their problems and offer solutions at the same, like in real time. Okay, so that you can use. It's a very good funnel that is working for a lot of coaches and service providers. And one-to-one call consulting, this is one of my favorite lead magnets. I use this in almost 60 to 70% of my campaigns for different industries. आप जितने भी लीड मैग्नेट्स दे दो, आपको अल्टीमेटली उनको यहाँ पे लेके आना है. सो इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ हाइब्रिड कैंपेन्स भी कभी कभी बनते हैं जहाँ पे आप मल्टीपल लीड मैग्नेट्स यूज करते हैं. आप पहले इनमें से कुछ एक देते हैं एंड देन यू ब्रिंग देम टू अ वन टू वन कंसल्टिंग, फाइनली वन टू वन कंसल्टिंग कॉल, and you close them in the call. Okay. So basically you address their problem, you understand their problem, offer a solution to them, and in the end you can also pitch your product to them and close them. Demo class or a product demo, this is working great for institutes and training industry. This thing has personally given me almost 40 lakhs plus revenue in the last 2 years. Like all my student, like as I said, I run a training institute. So जितने भी मेरे students होते हैं, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, मेरा funnel वही रहता है कि wherever from whatever sources we are generating leads, we call them for a demo class, whether it's an online demo class or offline demo class. We call them for a demo class and I take a class of them. I offer some value in that. काइंड ऑफ वेबिनार के तरह ही स्ट्रक्चर रहता है उसका, जो मतलब कंटेंट का स्ट्रक्चर. you give them value first and in the end you pitch your product. So I have like closed around 90 to 100 students in the last 2 years using this particular funnel. So it works great. अगर आपका हाई टिकट प्रोडक्ट है, आपको और भी ज्यादा अच्छे रेवेन्यू निकाल सकते हो इससे. Similarly, it's not just for training institutes or coaches. Even if you have a product, what you can do is you can register them for your product demo. So they will register for a demo, product demo. You connect with them online or offline and show the product to them and convert them into customer. And the last thing is site visit. This is for real estate. So basically, आप ads चलाते हो. This is the direct one. जो मैं कह रहा था, the direct lead magnet. This is completely direct lead magnet. इसमें ज्यादा copywriting में भी मेहनत नहीं करता मैं. I'll show you one of my ads that has given me around 60 lakhs of revenue in last 3 months. इसमें कुछ नहीं करना होता है, आप पूरा direct pitch करते हो and you ask them to do a site visit and you close them in the process. So these are some of the lead magnets that you can use in your funnels or your businesses. I'll show you some case studies as well.
Yeah, one question I wanted to ask.
Yeah.
You see, I sell handloom sarees from Odisha online. What sort of lead magnet do you recommend?
Do you have a e-commerce or do you sell it directly, like B2B?
For e-commerce, we have got a shop on Shopify.
For e-commerce, like you can use one thing is obviously you can use promo codes and discount coupons. Other thing is you can also share some PDF or ebook, like infographics. You can use some infographics as well. Like you can feature some of the best designs of yours and share it as a lead magnet. Although वो थोड़ा सा lead magnet की तरह काम नहीं करा because उसका perceived value नहीं create हो पाएगा. The best thing for e-commerce is promo code or discount coupons. I don't think any other thing is there. Although मैं ज़्यादा e-commerce पे काम नहीं किया हूँ, so I do not have a lot of idea on this. Maybe Sarang is there in this line, or any e-commerce expert is there in this call. They might help you.
हमारे कॉल में तो अभी कोई है नहीं शायद.
Okay.
Maybe we don't know if someone is there, but जितना लोग जानता हूँ, I don't know if they are.
Yeah, but जितना मुझे पता है, I guess the best lead magnet for any e-commerce is the promo code or the discount coupons or cashbacks.
अभी क्या है ना, all customers think that discount is taken for granted. It's part of the product, discount code. What they don't take it as a lead magnet.
सर
Any
लेकिन डिस्काउंट और कूपन कोड का जो क्रेज खत्म जब होगा जब दुनिया खत्म होगा सर। आप
people are
देखिए वो तो कभी
Even-
खत्म नहीं होने वाला है।
अब उससे और
वो
भी
सर-
अच्छा काम करता है आपका कैशबैक्स।
okay.
Cashback is a very good thing you can use because that will
Okay,
create
okay.
repetitive sales for you.
ठीक है, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. Thank you.
So this is something I have, like this is ad I run, like I was running this ad till like January तक मैं चला रहा था इसको. What I was giving as a lead magnet here is a free career guide. So my target audience was job seekers or people who have just graduated or they are looking for job, and we were trying to tell them that digital marketing is a career aspect you can consider. So अगर बायर जर्नी की बात करें, these are like in the first phase, they are in the awareness phase. तो हमको पहले उनको awareness करना पड़ेगा before bringing them into a demo class or a like direct sales funnel. So पहले उनको हम क्या करते थे, एक 100 like free career guide दे देते थे. They consume it and I set up a 3-day like email sequence where I nurture them, and in the third day I ask them for booking a demo class, and then we bring them into demo class and close them.
Yeah, that is how maybe a lead magnet and the follow-up sequence, everything matters. Like people think that एक lead magnet दे दिया तो फिर खत्म हो गया. Sometimes the follow-up sequence
Any
also-
marketing campaign real game तो nurturing में ही है या sequences में ही है. You have to keep following them. एक बार में कभी कोई customer convert नहीं
fail नहीं
होगा.
होता है.
So this is something you can use.
It's a good example आपने दिया है.
हाँ, जो डायरेक्ट वाला कह रहा था, इस एड को देखेंगे तो यू विल से ये तो कोई भी क्रिएट कर सकता है. लाइक यू डू नॉट हैव टू बिकम अ डिजिटल मार्केटर और अ मार्केटिंग एक्सपर्ट टू क्रिएट एड्स लाइक दैट, बट दिस वर्क्स ग्रेट फॉर रियल एस्टेट. रियल एस्टेट में आपको लोगों को उतना कॉपीराइटिंग वगैरह समझ में नहीं आता. आप घुमा फिरा के बोलोगे उनको नहीं समझ में आएगा.
स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड बात करो. हाँ,
हाँ, डायरेक्ट आप बताओ अपने लाइक आपके जो प्रॉपर्टी का डिटेल्स, what are the benefits of the that property or their features and their distances and all. They will book your like site visit and they will get into your funnel. So यहाँ पे even like ये वाला पहले हमने use नहीं किया था. For what I was doing is I did not mention the price in the first campaign, but then we saw that the quality of leads were decreasing. Like जिनका budget नहीं है, they were also asking like booking the site visits. So what I did is I mentioned the price as well. So उसके बाद जो leads आना शुरू हुआ, they were completely qualified. They knew about the property, they knew about the pricing and everything, and they came like what they
क्वालिटी लीड क्वालिटी इंक्रीज हो गया मतलब.
so पूरा डायरेक्ट मैसेज है यहाँ पे. प्लीज सबमिट द फॉर्म टू बुक योर साइट विजिट. सो
अभी
like-
व्हाट्सएप नंबर मांग रहे हैं आप डायरेक्ट.
हाँ, व्हाट आई डिड इज लाइक इसको थोड़ा क्वालिफाई करने के लिए मैंने डाला था, बिकॉज फोन नंबर जो है वो ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाता है, लाइक ऑटो जो प्री फिल्ड में आता है. सो व्हाट आई डिड डू इज आई नॉर्मली आस्क देम टू फिल वन इन्फॉर्मेशन. सो व्हाट्सएप नंबर जो है वो उनको मैनुअली एंटर करना है. सो दैट क्रिएट्स अनदर, उनको
एंड
थोड़ा सा
रीचेबिलिटी बढ़ जाता है ना, आपका रीच बढ़ जाता है, फिर यू कैन रीच देम
जो
इजीली.
प्री फील्ड वाले फिलअप कर देते हैं तो फिर बोलते हैं ये गलती से हो गया, या वो उसका प्रोबेबिलिटी ज्यादा बढ़ जाता है. तो आप एक दो क्वेश्चंस हमेशा डालो. कोई भी लीड फॉर्म वाला ऐड अगर आप चलाते हो, आप हमेशा एक दो क्वेश्चंस एटलीस्ट डालो जो कि वो मैनुअली फिलअप करे, ताकि उसमें आपको वो प्रोबेबिलिटी मतलब वो रेशियो कम हो जाता है वहाँ पे.
डेफिनेटली. एंड एक मार्केटिंग एजेंसी के लिए अच्छा है कि ज़्यादा लीड्स लाने के लिए क्या करते हैं लोग, फॉर्म बाय फेसबुक यूज़ करते हैं बिकॉज इट्स वेरी इजी. बट अगर आपको क्वालिटी लीड्स चाहिए तो एज ए बिजनेस ओनर और इवन अ मार्केटर, इफ यू आर हैविंग दैट इश्यू ऑफ क्वालिटी ऑफ लीड क्वालिटी का इश्यू आ रहा है तो यू शुड थिंक अबाउट दिस थिंग. वेरी सिंपल ट्रिक बट इट इज यूजफुल. मैंने एक सेशन किया था रियल एस्टेट मार्केटिंग में. गोपाल अय्यर बोल के, ही इज इनटू रियल एस्टेट गेम ओनली. उन्होंने क्या किया, he even asked to alternate contact number.
Okay.
दो नंबर मांगे और वो क्या बोल रहा था मालूम है, फर्स्ट नंबर में पीपल फोन नहीं उठा रहे थे एंड सेकंड नंबर में फोन उठा रहे थे. मतलब they were giving one number which they conveniently can they refuse it. second number वो पर्सनल नंबर दिए होंगे.
That happens. So ये छोटा सा कैंपेन हमने चला था. I just generated like 280 leads in this process, and we have closed almost 60 lakhs of business from this particular
Yeah,
campaign.
cost
And
per lead is
look at
very
the
low
lead cost.
actually.
Yeah. And I have hardly spent 5,000 on this. If I calculate the GST and all, almost 6,000 out of it. So you can calculate the ROS out of it. So these are very simple things, and but like people complicate things very much, but these are very simple tricks, and you can like scale a business using these simple tricks. If agar of course product का value भी matter करता है, यहाँ पे high ticket product है इसीलिए like the ROS is more, but you can easily scale any business using these simple lead magnets. And apart from that, I'll also share some tools with you which you can use to create lead magnets easily. नाउ फॉर कंसल्टिंग एंड ऑल इसके लिए तो आप सीधा कैलेंडली और जूम ये सब टूल्स यूज कर सकते हो. आई हैव नॉट मेंशन्ड देम. फॉर क्रिएटिंग लीड लाइक ई बुक्स वाले, लाइक फॉर ई बुक चेकलिस्ट और रिसोर्सेज गाइड्स, ये सारे जो लीड मैग्नेट्स होते हैं, फॉर दिस you can use this tool attract.io. This is a very easy to use and powerful tool. You can literally create a lead magnet within 10 to 15 minutes. If you have the content with you, 5 to 10 minutes you can easily create a lead magnet from here.
माने वर्ड डॉक यूज करके आप बोल रहे हैं वर्ड डॉक ऐड करेंगे?
ये वर्ड डॉक नहीं है, इसमें पूरा टेम्पलेट्स होते हैं, रेडीमेड टेम्पलेट्स होते हैं. लेट मी ट्राई टू लॉग इन हियर. शायद मेरे पास एक अकाउंट होगा इसका. या लेट्स से व्हाट आई विल डू इज, ये वाला शायद मैंने पहले क्रिएट किया था. मैं ट्राई टू क्रिएट अ न्यू. And it also gives you the dashboard ki kitna download hua, the statistics also you get from here. So I'm not able to create a new thing here, as I guess.
It's a paid tool, Abhishek ji?
No, it's pay वाला freemium tool है. फ्री वाला काम कर जाता है, आपको सफिशिएंट काम दे देता है.
Actually I used one tool called designer.io.
हाँ, वो थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लेक्स है इससे. उसमें I also have that tool with me. For longer ebooks, like आपको proper ebooks बनाना है, that is a good tool. But for short ebooks like resource guides हो गया या checklist हो गया, case study, for these they already have a lot of templates with them. So you can just quickly choose a template. Like let's say I want to create a checklist. I'll choose this. And I'll just put in my content there. And जो कलर वालर चेंजेस करना है वो कर दूंगा, इमेजेस अपलोड कर दूंगा, and it's done. And it's hosted inside attract.io only. You just need to share the link of this, and वहां से वो statistics भी आपको मिल जाता है कि कितने लोगों ने download किया and what are the kind of
yeah, that analytics is more important part actually.
Yeah. So they already have different color schemes as well. You can use them. Otherwise you can also design them. Like I'll not show you the complete design, you can play around, but this is completely customizable. आप पूरा colors, उसका images वगैरह सब कुछ change कर सकते हैं इसके अंदर. Once you complete this and you just publish it, वो आपको link दे देता है उसका, and you can just share it in your funnels. तो यहाँ पे link आ गया, just copy this thing and publish it. And apart from that, अगर आपको लंबा PLR like लंबा ebooks बनाना है and you do not want to write it yourself or hire a freelancer, you can also use PLRs. Okay. Although PLR थोड़ा सा outdated concept हो चुका है, बहुत लोग इसको use करते हैं. Digital products के लिए still it works.
Yeah,
There are
PL,
different sites.
Abhishek, I would like to ask your
What is the name? PL?
PLR, प्राइवेट लेबल राइट्स वाले बुक्स. ये बेसिकली ऐसे ई बुक्स होते हैं जो कि पहले किसी ने लिखा था, लाइक 10-15 साल पहले कोई यूज कर रहा था, एंड दे हैव द ऑथर ऑफ दैट ई बुक हैव गिवन अप देयर राइट्स. So you can legally use them in your funnel, and you can even call it like you can tell that you have created that ebook. So they give you
So
the
how to
complete
get you
right.
search for Google?
You can just go
You
ahead
search
and
in
search PLR products. Like there are some sites, I'll also share that with you. Like you can just do a Google search and you can find all the sites there. Like,
actual challenge क्या है सर कि PLR products में like I seen many PLR products. मैंने शुरुआत में 2 साल 3 साल पहले खरीदा भी था कुछ, but I felt the challenge was to get some quality product. That is one challenge I actually faced. So what happens is when if you're not able to get a quality product, then it can reflect on you. आपका अभिषेक जी, आपका नजरिया में ऐसा कोई है जो आपको लगता है कि ठीक ठाक आपको क्वालिटी कहीं मिल रहा है या समथिंग लाइक दैट?
I don't use PLR mostly. मैं नॉर्मली ऐसे चेकलिस्ट वगैरह ही क्रिएट करता हूँ इफ आई हैव टू क्रिएट अ पीडीएफ. अदरवाइज मेरा सबसे बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग टूल होता है कंसल्टिंग कॉल या वेबिनार्स. तो वो मैं
पीएनआर जो है ना, जो दास जी पूछ रहे, तो मुझे लगता है कि कुछ इंडस्ट्रीज में काम कर सकते हैं जो हेल्थ निच, वेलनेस निच में क्या होता है, एंड मार्केटिंग निच में भी थोड़ा थोड़ा काम करेगा. बट मार्केटिंग निच में अगर आप मार्केटर्स को दे रहे हैं तो मार्केटर्स ऑलरेडी थोड़ा सा
आई गेस ऐसे निश में काम करेगा जहाँ पे वो कॉन्सेप्ट्स आउटडेटेड नहीं होते हैं, बिकॉज दीज आर ऑल ओल्ड थिंग्स लाइक 15 इयर्स 20 इयर्स के पहले वाला कॉन्सेप्ट्स आपको मिलेंगे. सो ऐसा इंडस्ट्री लाइक लेट्स से हेल्थ में द कॉन्सेप्ट्स आर एवरग्रीन. तो इन दोज काइंड ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज यू कैन यूज देम. अदरवाइज लाइक अगर ऐसा जैसे लेट्स से डिजिटल मार्केटिंग और मार्केटिंग कॉन्सेप्ट्स चेंज वेरी रैपिडली हियर. तो समथिंग दैट हैव बीन रिटन 5 years back, it's completely outdated now. So उस केस में थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है इसको यूज करना.
Yeah, actually PLRs are I'm seeing like PLRs का गेम थोड़ा अलग ही है, but people use it. ऐसा नहीं कि यूज नहीं करता, it's a different this thing. Yeah.
इफ यू आस्क मी, मेरे लिए सबसे बेस्ट थिंग होता है कि आप चेकलिस्ट बनाओ, ये हाउ टू बनाओ. दिस आर द बेस्ट थिंग इफ यू वांट टू यूज अ पीडीएफ. अदरवाइज अगर आपका ई कॉमर्स है, प्रोमो कोड्स वगैरह, कैशबैक यूज कीजिए. इफ यू आर लाइक B2B business or any kind of service based business, get them into a consulting call or any kind of one to one or many one to many call.
People value that one to one or one to many call more than anything else.
Yeah. So I guess that's it for me. We can like take some questions.
Yeah, before having some questions, what just I want to add, let me check if there are any specific questions here. Someone has asked about the mind map you're using.
I'll share it in the group.
Okay, will you share the mind map?
And the tool I'm using is it's called MindNode. It's for Mac only. For Windows, there are different other options like
MindNode.
MindNode. Yeah.
Let me try it. I'm having a Mac and I did not try mind maps till now. Means I don't use them actively. Maybe for teaching purposes or any purposes. So Abhishek ji, it's like I want to, before people get into the questions, I want to maybe have an overview talk on this, and we'll discuss on this. Like you once you can go to the slide once, your 18 magnets are actually there. Maybe now you have to click them again and we have to see that, I guess.
Just a minute, let me open it.
Just I want to emphasize on few things where we get things very clear. What I thought is like one thing is for the lead magnets, like people like you specifically mentioned a point about how quick they are to consume. Because I remember like 3 years ago when we were having lead magnets, we used to take pride in downloading them, and कई बार डाउनलोड करके रह जाता है कि वो पढ़ते नहीं थे, मतलब ऐसा हो जाता था. एंड उस समय में ऐसा भी था कि देयर वाज नो फॉलो अप सीक्वेंस, कोई फॉलो अप भी नहीं करते थे कि आप पढ़े क्या क्या, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. एंड नाउ व्हाट यू सेइंग इज मेकिंग a sense, and smart people are using that. Have a lead magnet which is very precise. 4 पेज या 10 पेज, 10-15 पेज का मैक्स. तो उसमें क्या होता है कि एंड आल्सो बी स्पेसिफिक ऑन द टॉपिक कितना स्पेसिफिक हो.
You have to understand their like their psychology. जब वो डाउनलोड करने के लिए जा रहा है, why he is filling his information, because उसको तुरंत ही वो इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए. He is very like वो माइंड में एक स्ट्रेस क्रिएट करके रखा हुआ है कि मुझे जानना है इसको कैसे किया जाए. सो अगर आप मतलब क्विकली उसको शेयर कर देते हो व्हाट इज हिज प्रॉब्लम एंड कैसे वो सॉल्व कर सकता है, देन वो कनेक्ट हो जाएगा आपके साथ. अदरवाइज अगर ऐसा चीज हो गया कि बोरिंग है या फिर लंबा उसको फिर कंज्यूम करने के लिए टाइम लगेगा, कि विल कीप इट असाइड. बाद में जब फ्री होऊंगा मैं फिर
स्कैन
देखूंगा.
करके निकाल देता है साइड में, थोड़ा आंखों से स्कैन करेगा, साइड निकाल देगा. एंड एक टेक्निक मेरे को जो काम किया था, जैसे मैं डायबिटीज निच में लीड मैग्नेट यूज किया था, तो मैं क्या किया था, लीड मैग्नेट इट वाज अ डाइट प्लान काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग, सो इट इज वेरी वैल्यूएबल फॉर पीपल. एंड उसमें डाइट प्लान का थैंक यू पेज जो है ना, उन लोग ईमेल एंटर करने के बाद जो थैंक यू पेज आता है ना, उसमें मैं क्या कर रहा था, लाइक थैंक यू पेज में देयर इज अ वीडियो ऑफ मी टॉकिंग. आपने अभी डाइट प्लान आपने डाउनलोड किया, बट डाउनलोड करके उसको साइड में मत रखिए. एक्शन पे लीजिएगा तो काम आएगा आपका। एंड आपको अगर डाउट्स जा रहा है, यू कैन ज्वाइन अ फेसबुक ग्रुप, एंड वहाँ पे अगर आप फेसबुक ग्रुप में अगर पिंग करेंगे तो आई विल बी एबल टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चंस। तो
yes,
उसके चलते क्या होता था, लोग पैरेलली मेरा फेसबुक ग्रुप भी ज्वाइन करते थे, एंड दे आल्सो टेक, अगर कोई पर्सन फेस टू फेस आके बात कर रहा है, सो द कनेक्ट हैज बिकम मच मोर। सो what you discussed on that thing, like being precise with the lead magnets, is something we should all understand, and
even even groups भी एक lead magnet बन सकता है आपके लिए. If you have a Facebook group, or if you have a Telegram group or WhatsApp group, you can use that as a lead magnet. You can say we are
get
going to
access
give
to
you
the group.
exclusive access to that group, so that can also be used as a lead magnet.
Yeah, that also can be used, correct. कुछ लोग यूज करते हैं। then something what you told is the perceived value thing, आपने बीच में बताया था,
Yes,
लाइक लोग को क्या लगता है कि डाउनलोड दिस थिंग बोले तो वो नहीं लगता, बट व्हेन वी से यू कैन गेट दिस थिंग व्हिच इज वर्थ 500 रुपीस,
yes,
व्हिच आई वाज सेलिंग फॉर 500 रुपीस,
yeah,
ऐसा बोल के अगर बताएंगे तो लोग को लगता है कि यार 500 रुपए की चीज मेरे को फ्री में मिल रहा है।
yes,
एंड वी आर ऑल ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, वी आर वायर्ड टू एक्चुअली लुक एट फ्री डील्स।
yes, absolutely.
हमको मालूम है कि अमेजोन बहुत ट्रिक करता है लाइटिंग डील्स में, इधर में फिर भी हम देखते हैं कि डील डील है तो खरीदना चाहिए डील के समय।
Yes,
हो सकता है 25 रुपए 50 रुपए का भी डिफरेंस होगा ना, बट वी स्टिल वेट फॉर वन डे, इवन दो वी आर अर्निंग गुड मनी, बट वी फील वी डिड ए स्मार्ट थिंग।
yes. Like I also run a cloud kitchen, another small business of mine. So हम लोग Zomato Swiggy के साथ काम करते हैं उसमें. So I have tested. हमने क्या किया, नॉर्मल प्राइस डाला और उसमें बिना कोई ऑफर के, लाइक बिना कोई डिस्काउंट में डाला। जितना ऑर्डर हमारे पास आया, हमने क्या किया, सेम प्राइस को, लाइक लेट्स से 100 रुपीज का डिश था, वी मेड इट 180 रुपीज एंड गेव 40% डिस्काउंट ऑन दैट. वी गॉट मोर ऑर्डर्स आफ्टर दैट. सो it also, like discounts, जैसे like I was saying, discount coupons are working and it will always work. लोग हमेशा ढूंढते रहेंगे.
वर्क करेंगे, एंड यू हैव टू प्ले इट स्मार्ट, उतना ही है, मतलब थोड़ा स्मार्टली प्ले करना पड़ेगा। परसेप्शन, कोई भी चीज का वैल्यू, ये पेन का वैल्यू मैं अगर बताऊंगा, ये दिखा के बोलूंगा कि डू यू नो दिस पेन आई गॉट इट शिप फ्रॉम इंग्लैंड, एंड एक्चुअली रसल ब्रंसन ने मेरे को ये पेन भेजा है, देन इमीडिएटली स्टार्ट थिंकिंग ये कम से कम $500 का होंगे,
Right.
10 रुपए का पेन है,
Yes.
लाइक दिस
That's again another angle. वो story telling वाला angle है. Copywriters use that angle to sell, like cheap product को भी आप एक बहुत ही expensive product में आप उसका perceived value create कर सकते हो. You can position that as a very like expensive product.
Yeah, that is one thing, and you mentioned about some free tools and softwares.
Yeah.
जो लोन कैलकुलेटर्स का बात किया है, सब किया, that is also a good example you actually made. And one-to-one consulting was obviously the very good thing, but सबके लिए depends on the high ticket product आप बेचने जा रहे हैं, तो that can make more sense.
Obviously 100 रुपए 500 रुपए के प्रोडक्ट के लिए you can not do one to ones.
And
You can still try webinar, but still webinar भी इतना नहीं है, उसमें भी आप ऐसे इस बाकी के लीड मैग्नेट्स यूज कर सकते हैं.
maybe when you're trying to sell your own services as a marketing agency, that can work because your client definitely one-to-one consulting में जाएगा ही before they
Right.
can give you business. So that can be a good thing, like for marketers to actually promote their services, offer one-to-one consultation as a lead magnet. एंड प्रोडक्ट डेमो तो बढ़िया है। सो प्रोडक्ट डेमो जैसा अभी दास जी पूछ रहे थे कि ई कॉमर्स में मे बी प्रोडक्ट डेमो कैन वर्क, बिकॉज उनका जो प्रोडक्ट था सारीस, जो मैं जानता हूँ उनको, सारीस ऑफ हाई कॉस्ट, लाइक उनके पास 10,000 का ऊपर का भी साड़ीज है। प्रोडक्ट डेमो बोले तो सिंगल पर्सन के लिए नहीं करके, अगर इफ दे इनवाइट देम ऑन अ डेमो एंड द डिस्प्ले
Kind of a exhibition kind of thing. Yeah.
दैट वर्क, आपको क्या लगता है अभिषेक?
Yeah, it can definitely work. Like I was working with a client last year. She was into similar niche. I was doing the e-commerce campaign for them. Like मैंने उनको 4 महीने में अराउंड 11 या 12 lakhs का रेवेन्यू निकाल के दिया फ्रॉम फेसबुक एड्स. बट प्रायर टू दैट, एंड इवन अभी भी वही कर रहे हैं वो, what they do is they conduct exhibitions or like walk-in exhibitions करते हैं throughout the world. मलेशिया, सिंगापुर वगैरह में चले जाते हैं एंड दे डू एग्जीबिशंस देयर. एक साथ जाते हैं, एक बार में 10 लाख 15 लाख का रेवेन्यू करके आते हैं. like they do a 3 day 4 day.
ऑफलाइन की बात कर रहे हैं ना आप, इट्स ऑफलाइन।
हाँ ऑफलाइन में करते हैं, बट आई गेस आप प्रोडक्ट डेमो इस केस में ऑफलाइन मतलब ऑनलाइन करना मुश्किल है आई गेस, अदरवाइज आप वीडियो बनाओगे, बट आई गेस वो वाला फील वहाँ पे आएगा नहीं उतना, वो कनेक्ट नहीं होंगे उस प्रोडक्ट के साथ उतना।
या
So, yeah.
ओके, दैट्स ग्रेट। मुझे लगता है कि डिस्कशन जो है ना लीड मैग्नेट्स को लेके, आपने बहुत सारा चीज़ आपने डिस्कस किया विच आर वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। आपने यूज केसेस भी बताया, like which industries can use this kind of lead magnets and all, and wait list, webinars, giveaway, and yeah, free course, video series. Okay, we will like to see if anyone is having any specific questions. You can all come on video also if you're interested. You can switch on
I think Abhishek has structured the class very well. मतलब इसमें कुछ ऐसे कोई भी फालतू का टाइम नहीं था. Not even 1 minute he has wasted. He gave us directly what we wanted. He explained everything, each and everything he explained. और ऐसे लग रहा था कि अभिषेक दिल खोल के, माने he is not hiding anything कि बाद में मैं upsell करूंगा, पूरा जो
upsell, नहीं sir, upsell, it's not, upsell is not a bad thing.
No, I am not saying this, but the way he gave everything and told us about that, where the industry in which each lead magnet can be used.
Definitely.
That was very good.
And discounts and cashback coupons के बारे में अगर बात करें तो अभिषेक जी, if we can discuss more on this specific thing. Discounts and cashback coupons शायद वर्क करेगा, because especially जो niche है, लेडीज का जो niche है ना, अब लेडीज को डिस्काउंट्स इतना पसंद आता है ना,
Yes.
अब पूछो ही मत। मतलब घर का सामान काम करते हो फ्रिज को बेच देंगे उन लोग, अच्छे से दे देंगे। सच में सर, सच में मैं देखा हूँ बहुत।
Gordon, I think your wife is not listening to this.
हाँ, that's the daring I have. That's how my room is shut. My room is shut. I know that now she can't listen. She they're watching TV. So that is the confidence I have, because 10 years, more than 10 years of marriage, I learned these things. So what to talk, where to talk, when to talk. No sir, really, it's not like that. It works actually. I see in मन से ज्यादा वुमन को ज्यादा होता है डिस्काउंट्स एंड कूपन्स एंड ऑल दिस वेरी वेल। एंड मैं देखा हूँ कि कूपन का ज्यादा वैल्यू मुझे लगता है, एज अ पर्सन व्हाट आई फील, आई वैल्यू कूपन कोड मोर देन अ डिस्काउंट ऑफर।
बट या आप अलग अलग स्ट्रेटेजी वाई मतलब डिफरेंट फनल्स या स्ट्रेटेजीज यूज कर सकते हो टू डिलीवर दैट कूपन कोड। मे बी आप रीमार्केटिंग के टाइम पे कुछ लोग यूज करते हैं, कुछ लोग आपके साइट में वो व्हील वाला डालते हैं, आप व्हील घुमाते हैं और आपको कुछ उसमें डिस्काउंट जनरेट होता है, दैट आल्सो वर्क्स। तो डिफरेंट स्ट्रेटजीज हैं।
Yeah, I'll just give you one example, and Abhishek may be knowing it. About few years ago, there was a brand called Turtle. It was running in Cuttack. They used to, sell shirts and all. वो 70% discount. तो then लोगों का उससे faith ही उठ गया कि मतलब 70% में
बहुत ज्यादा एक्सैजरेट कर देते हो तो थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम होता है वहाँ पे, इसीलिए परसीव्ड वैल्यू मैटर करता है वहाँ पे। वो परसीव्ड वैल्यू आपको मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा उस टाइम पे।
अभी जैसे परसीव्ड वैल्यू में इफ यू सी पीटर इंग्लैंड शर्ट्स, sometimes you see they are much better than even Louis Philippe and all in half shirts and all, but still एक उसका परसेप्शन हो गया कि वो सस्ता ब्रांड है, तो लोगों को अच्छा ही नहीं लगता वो खरीदना।
वो तो दैट्स अ डिफरेंट एंगल, वो ब्रांडिंग वाला एंगल है।
हाँ,
तो वो
हाँ।
पोजीशनिंग में गलती हो जाता है तो फिर वो प्रॉब्लम्स होता है।
दास
इवन टाटा नैनो हैज फेल्ड बिकॉज़ ऑफ दैट ओनली।
दास जी, मुझे क्या लगता है मालूम है ना, जो बिजनेसमैन एंड मार्केटर्स है ना, they can see through that shit, they can see through that what's happening, but most of the people don't see through। आपको मतलब I can tell still टर्टल जो ब्रांड है, शायद टर्टल मैंने सुना कहीं पे, इवन पीटर इंग्लैंड भी चलता है, चलने के लिए चलता है, एंड सम पीपल आर नॉट वरीड अबाउट द ब्रांड। एंड उन लोग का अगर ऐसा ब्रांडिंग बनाना ही है, प्राइसिंग उस प्राइस में उनको बेचना ही है, तो वो उसी लेवल पे जाएंगे। एंड डिस्काउंट्स तो ऐसा बोल रहे हैं ना, हमेशा करे तो प्रॉब्लम ही है, लाइक यू कांट कीप डिस्काउंट्स। अगर 365 डेज यहाँ पर रखेंगे तो
लेट्स से अगर आप लेट्स लाइक इन माय फनल, जो मेरा इंस्टीट्यूट का फनल होता है, व्हाट आई डू इज जब डेमो क्लास के लिए मैं उनको इनवाइट करता हूँ, आफ्टर द डेमो क्लास आई गिव देम अ 24 आवर, लाइक आई गिव देम एन ऑफर एंड आई गिव देम अ टाइमलाइन ऑफ 24 आवर्स। एंड वी हैव एक्चुअली रिजेक्टेड पीपल हु हैव लाइक वो डील हमने नहीं दिया है उनको, जब वो 24 आवर्स के बाद हमको कांटेक्ट करते हैं फॉर एनरोलिंग। सो वो आपको मेंटेन करना पड़ता है। अगर आप मतलब आपके एथिक्स को मेंटेन नहीं करोगे तो लोगों को पता चल जाएगा, ऐसे ही ये चलता रहेगा। एनीवेज, तो वो जो मतलब अर्जेंसी क्रिएट नहीं होगा आपके कस्टमर के माइंड में।
Urgency should be real. मतलब you can't fake it and you can just उसके through चलने
Yes, Aishwarya has a question here. What is the difference between a lead magnet and a tripwire? बेसिक डिफरेंस है कि आप लीड मैग्नेट फ्री में देते हैं एंड ट्रिपवायर पे आप कुछ ना कुछ एक चार्ज करते हैं उनको। सो दैट इज द ओनली डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्रोडक्ट्स। आप ऑलमोस्ट सारे चीजें आप एज अ लीड मैग्नेट भी यूज कर सकते हो, एज अ ट्रिपवायर भी यूज कर सकते हो। द ओनली डिफरेंस इज जब आप इस चीज को फ्री में देते हो, उसका परसेंट वैल्यू बताते हो और उसको फ्री में देते हो, दैट बिकम्स योर लीड मैग्नेट। अगर आप उसके लिए कुछ ना कुछ एक चार्ज करते हो, दैट बिकम्स योर ट्रिपवायर।
इवन आई थिंक कुछ पीपल कुछ लोग शुरुआत से ही प्राइसिंग में चालू करते हैं, लीड मैग्नेट टाइप का ही है, बट दे सेल इट लाइक $5 $2।
दैट इज एक्चुअली ट्रिपवायर। उसको अगर टेक्निकली उसको कहेंगे दैट इज अ ट्रिपवायर।
बट दैट इटसेल्फ
उसको
इज
लीड मैग्नेट कहते हैं बट दैट इज एक्चुअली ट्रिपवायर।
हाँ, बट उसको एक लीड मैग्नेट ही बन जाता है बिकॉज द फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट
Yeah.
the point of attraction is that, but again terminologies can differ based on what different people teach.
Right.
Yeah, I think Abhishek ji, we got a good value today because I did not know क्योंकि मैं बहुत दिन से था, but you structured it in a right way where some of the things which I ये जितना देखा हूँ मुझे लग रहा है कि बहुत सारी चीज मेरे को पता भी है, but
Yes.
the way you put those things together.
I told you in the beginning, मैं कुछ रॉकेट साइंस शेयर नहीं करने वाला हूँ। ऑलमोस्ट आपको पता ही होगा सारी चीजें, बट इट्स जस्ट दैट मैं फिर से आपको याद दिला देता हूँ।
बात वो नहीं है, बट इट कैन बी नोन टू मी, बट मेनी पीपल मे नॉट नो बिकॉज क्या है कि मैं बहुत दिन से हूँ, तो आई एम सीइंग दिस टर्मिनोलॉजीज, आई एम यूजिंग दिस, सो मे बी मुझे थोड़ा पता होगा। बट अगेन लाइक गिव अवे कैन बी अ लीड मैग्नेट, बहुत लोग यूज नहीं करते गिव अवे को, लाइक टू स्टार्ट द फनल। गिव अवेज वैसा मैं यूज करना चालू किया हूँ, देयर वेरी गुड वे। मींस आई हैव स्टार्टेड यूजिंग इट फ्रॉम लास्ट वन ईयर से कुछ कर रहा था निच मार्केटर्स ग्रुप के लिए, एंड आई फेल्ट देयर अ वेरी गुड वे टू एक्चुअली।
मतलब ब्लॉग के लिए अच्छा काम करता है। आपका कोई भी ब्रांड बिल्डिंग एक्टिविटीज होगा या ब्रांड एक्टिवेशन वाला कैंपेन होगा, उसमें अच्छा काम करता है, बिकॉज दोनों फायदे मिलते हैं आपको, ब्रांडिंग भी मिलती है, लीड्स भी मिलते हैं उसमें।
डेमो क्लास एंड प्रोडक्ट डेमो भी अच्छा है। प्रोडक्ट डेमो में भी हाई टिकट प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए, कुछ प्रोडक्ट में टेक्निकलिटीज ज्यादा होता है, दे कैन एक्सप्लेन द प्रोडक्ट, ऐसा काम करता है वैसा काम करता है बोल के, दैट आल्सो कैन बी पॉसिबल। सो या इट्स अ वेरी गुड।
अगेन वन मोर थिंग आल्सो, एजुकेशन इंडस्ट्री में काम करता है। यू कैन आल्सो शेयर ब्रोशर्स और syllabus and all in your camp, like in as a lead magnet.
या करिकुलम में भी ब्रांचेस कहाँ पे है, उसका कैंपस का पिक्चर्स,
Yes.
एवरीथिंग कैन कम देयर।
पिक्चर कैन नॉट बी लीड मैग्नेट बिकॉज उसको मतलब डाउनलोड करने के लिए कोई आपको ईमेल आईडी शेयर नहीं करेगा, बट ब्रोशर या मतलब क्या कहते हैं उसको, प्रोस्पेक्टस, ये सब चीजें के लिए आप यूज कर सकते हैं।
आई मीन टू से पिक्चर्स अंदर ऐड करने के कंटेंट, दे हैव टू हैव एवरीथिंग इन प्लेस। या yeah, definitely, Abhishek ji, it was a real good session we could get into. Anyone who wants to anything, you can talk on Facebook ads like lead magnets. मतलब लीड मैग्नेट तक ही सीमित नहीं है सेशन, लीड मैग्नेट के बाद वाला बात भी कर सकते हैं हम लोग, कुछ ऐसा कुछ है स्पेसिफिक, वी कैन टॉक ऑन दोस लाइंस। आई डोंट नो मेनी पीपल हु आर इन दिस सेशन इफ दे आर इनटू फेसबुक मार्केटिंग और नॉट। फेसबुक मार्केटिंग में है तो दे कैन आस्क एनी क्वेश्चन स्पेसिफिक। एंड जैसा अभी मैं देख रहा हूँ, डिम्पल इज इन द कॉल and she does actually tarot reading. I'm not sure if she's running Facebook ads or not. Then she can think about offering tarot reading, or maybe giving a group session to the people and all.
Yes, group session will work.
Tarot reading also, I'm seeing nowadays it's happening a lot. People do a live session. A lot of live sessions are going on. That is there. Yeah.
Hello, Govardhan ji. Actually, I'm not using Facebook ads. Okay, but I'm just thinking to use it. Right now, I'm just normally I'm just using my contacts and other things, and also right now working with Astro Yogi also. So I'm little busy with that. So still I'm trying, but I'll use the Facebook ads. Thank you so much. That's the reason I joined this session.
If you don't use Facebook ads also, still you can use your contacts to get them in, offering a tarot reading group session or something like that.
ट्रैफिक सोर्स डजंट मैटर, लीड मैग्नेट एक ही बनाते हैं आप, उसको आप कोई भी ट्रैफिक सोर्स हो, चाहे आप एड्स चला रहे हैं और ऑर्गेनिकली प्रमोट कर रहे हैं या डायरेक्ट
व्हाट्सएप में प्रमोट कर रहे हैं या नॉन कम्युनिटीज में प्रमोट कर रहे हैं, एनीवेयर यू कैन प्रमोट इट। आपका जो फर्स्ट लीड मैग्नेट, इफ इट्स वेरी अट्रैक्टिव, पीपल कैन ज्वाइन फ्रॉम एनीवेयर। लाइक आप एक सेशन अटेंड करिएगा, टैरोट रीडिंग कैसा होता है, एंड आपको व्हाई शुड यू एक्चुअली बिलीव इन दैट। मतलब कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं ना, टैरोट रीडिंग में बिलीव क्यों करना चाहिए, पहली बात उसका वो नहीं रहता है, तो कुछ लोग डाउटफुल रहता है।
जी।
वो कुछ बोल रहे थे डिम्पल?
नहीं, मैंने कहा कि जी बहुत सारे लोग जो है विश्वास नहीं करते हैं, उनको थोड़ा सा डाउट रहता है, कभी कभी बोलते हैं कि पता नहीं ये विश्व होगा कि नहीं। तो वो लोग क्या करते हैं, मैंने खुद एस्ट्रो योगी में देखा, वो लोग बहुत सारे एस्ट्रोलॉजर को कंसल्ट करते हैं, फिर बोलते हैं मैम आपने जो बोला वो दूसरी एस्ट्रोलॉजर ने भी वही बोला, कि आप लोग क्या एक ही जगह बैठे रहते हो क्या, एक ही जैसे जवाब दे रहे हो। तो मैं बोली नहीं, हम लोग अलग अलग बैठते हैं, आप अलग अलग जिनसे सवाल करते हो वैसे ही आपको जवाब मिलता है, जो जैसा आता है आप लोग का सवाल के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है। तो फिर मैं तो न्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट भी हूँ, तो मैं न्यूमरोलॉजी से भी उन लोग का कुछ कुछ बातें बताती हूँ, तो उन लोग बहुत अचंभे रहता है कि वाह आपको कैसे पता ये सब चीजें, ये तो मैंने किसी से शेयर ही नहीं किया है। मैं बोले हाँ हमें पता रहता है कुछ चीजें, तो ऐसे ही बस चल रहा है अच्छे
Yeah,
से।
maybe you need to understand lead magnets. आप कहीं से भी you can use, like Facebook आपका कनेक्शन से भी
हाँ जी
you can get details. Facebook ads चलाना है ये बोल के नहीं है, बहुत सारा ऑप्शंस है। like
जी
बिकॉज मैं तो जिंदगी में फेसबुक एड्स में चलाया हूँ, बट इट्स वेरी लेस। मेरा जितना एक्विजिशन है SEO या ईमेल मार्केटिंग और अदर सोर्सेस से ही मैं ज़्यादा यूज़ किया। सो या डेफिनेटली, सो या थैंक यू
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।
Okay, boss. I think we can close this session now. It's good to have you, Abhishek ji, and I'm happy that after some time we could manage to come together to do this session. Um, and yeah, thank you very much. Thank you everyone for joining the session. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Good night, everyone.
Good night. Bye.